Hello Bambu Studio users, hello P1P and X1C fans. I'm here today in Bambu Studio with my favorite little test dog. And I just want to show you some ways that you can resize this guy. So let's say you import a model into Bambu Studio and it's not the size you want it bigger or smaller. You do not need a new STL file, you do not need the STL file modified. You can simply rescale the model from right here on the bed in Bambu Studio. To do that, we are going to go ahead and click on the model and look up top to the bar here where you will see this symbol right here. This is the scale function. To get to this, you could also press the S key. When you adjust the size, you will be doing it by percentage or by physical size in inches. You will notice by default, uniform scale is selected. That means should you change the Z scale by 105%, which is the height of the model, will uniformly change to 105% as well, making it 105% this way, 105% this way, 105% this way. In other words, the entire model has been scaled up by 105%. However, if you are not sure which percent you need, but you know you want this model to be 3 inches tall, and then uniformly adjusted in all other dimensions for a 3-inch tall doggo, you would click right here and type in 3 for 3 inches. It will activate when you click away, for example, over here. Now your doggo is 3 inches tall and the other axes have been adjusted accordingly for a proportionate 3-inch tall dog. But let's say you're printing something different, something you don't want uniformly changed, such as a coin. For example, say you want this coin to be 2 inches, but you want the height to be only 0.1 inches. If you change the Z to 0.1, the entire model changes proportionately. So what we will do in this situation is uncheck uniform scale, and then you can change your Z height to 0.1 without it affecting the rest of the model. Now we have a 0.1 inch coin that is 2 inch by 2 inch. If you want it to be thicker, for example, you can make it 0.4. And now it's 0.4 while still being 2 inch by 2 inch. The same concept works with the X and the Y. For example, if you want to make an oval coin, you could change the Y-axis to 1, and the other two will remain as they were, and you now have an oval coin. Of course, you could do this in the other direction as well by changing the X to 1. And now you have an oval coin this way. So there you have it. That is the basics of resizing a model in Bambu Studio using uniform scale or non-uniform scale.